Hello friends, welcome to EduSpar Career Development Private Limited. Today we will discuss a para completion pattern of question. The question goes like this. In each of the following question, a short passage is given with one of the lines in the passage missing and represented by a blank. Select the best out of the answer choices given to make the passage complete and coherent. Poverty is the state for majority of the world's people and nations. Why is this? Then there is a blank. Have they been lazy, made poor decisions, and been solely responsible for their own plight? What about their governments? Have they pursued policies that actually harm successful development? Such cases of poverty and inequality are no doubt real, but deeper and more global causes of poverty are often less discussed. Behind the increasing interconnectedness promised by globalization and global decisions, policies, and practices, these are typically influenced, driven, or formulated by the rich and powerful. These can be leaders of rich countries or global other global actors such as multinational corporations, institutions, and influential people. In the face of such enormous external influence, the governments of poor nations and their people are often powerless. As a result, in the global context, a few get wealthy, while the mass poverty is the state for majority struggles. Now we have 5 options, out of which one will be the correct option that we need to choose. Here, we need to understand certain things. First of all, the gap is in between certain questions. So, it is very much likely that one questioning sentence will fit there. Now, we have 3 questioning sentence. Option number 1, is it enough to blame poor people for their own predicament? Option number 2, what is the government do about it? Option number 3, are the wealthy ones in the nation even aware of this? So out of this, the best option fitting over here will be option 1. Why? Because it is talking of a predicament. Predicament means situation, and the next line is talking about the plight of the poor people, which is the pathetic condition. So option 1, is it enough to blame poor people for their own predicament, is fitting here. Hope you have understood this. Coming to what EduSpire Career Development is offering, we are offering a series of live online sessions for exam aspirants for IBPS, RRB, CAT, SSC, and campus jobs. Our chief mentor, co-founder and director, Mr. Ankuran Das, is an alumni of IIM Bangalore and Jadavpur University. We have many other experienced faculty members with us. We provide live online classes by these expert mentors, exam-specific sessions, practice materials, and 24/7 doubt clearing classes. Apart from regular syllabus, we are also providing interview tips, group discussion tips, extempo, dress code tips. We prepare job aspirants with presentation skills, and we assist in CV making too. You will get live online classes, strategic guidelines for preparation, comprehensive course materials, regular interaction for doubt clearing and career counseling. We ensure personalized attention by keeping our batches small. You will understand what to prepare, how much to prepare, and you will get updated contents from multiple experts. You will be following a practical routine and will be able to balance all sections. We will be able to make a specific plan, how many questions from which chapters you need to do. You can discuss your plan with the experienced mentors to make your plan more effective. Online platform saves time without compromising other engagements. You will also get recorded videos for revision and easy access to the entire faculty team. So, no point delaying anymore. Feel free to contact us in the given numbers as early as possible.